Hello everyone and welcome back to Notes Naka. In this video, I will give you an overview of the Avalara coding test, which was held as the first round for full-time campus placement by Avalara. So the shortlisting criteria was that you need to be a BTech student, your branch needs to be CSE, and there was no eligibility criteria as per CGPA. So it was a coding test. There were 5 coding questions to be solved in 2 hours and 30 minutes. So these were the coding questions. Remote clicks. In this we had to perform BFS, that is breadth first search, in a graph with some nodes which are out of bounds. So there were some nodes in which you can't go in any other direction, and you have to find the shortest path to a certain numbered node. The second question was year progress. This question was based on input, output and operations of string. So in this question you were given a time and a date whole as a single string, and then you had to find out how much the year has progressed, like the percentage. For example, you were given that it is 10:30 p.m. on 1st of July 2007. You needed to find out how much of the year has passed. As on 31st December, 100% of the year would have passed. Now, the third question was on formatting of large products. In this, you had to find modulus of very large numbers a to the power b modulus m. In this question, the rule that a to the power b modulo m equals a modulo m into a to the power b minus 1 modulo m would be used. Now, the fourth question was book stack. In this question, you had to find out the minimum number of swaps needed to reorder an array. The fifth question was encryption. In this, you had to place a string in the matrix row wise and then get the output column wise. It was much like a transposition operation. Here is that question in detail. So, in encryption, the question was like this. A text needs to be encrypted using the given encryption scheme. Let L be the length of this text without spaces. Then, characters are written into a grid in reverse order, whose rows and columns have the following constraints. The row and the column value belong between the floor of the square root of L to the ceiling of the square root of L. For example, the sentence, when you play the Game of Thrones, you win or you die. After removing spaces is 41. 41 is the length of the whole string without spaces. So, the root of 41 lies between 6 and 7. Hence, it is divided as 6 rows and 7 columns. 6 into 7 is 42. Hence, we should also make sure that the number of rows into the number of columns is greater than the length of the string. So, the first sample test case was as follows. The input was have a nice day and the output was YCE, AIB, DNA, EAH. The length of the string have a nice day is 12 and the square root of 12 lies between 3 and 4. As we know, 3 into 4 equals 12, so it can be easily written into a matrix with dimensions 3 cross 4. So it can be rewritten as YADE, CINA and EVAH. Similarly, let's move on to sample test case 2. In this, the input is feed the dog. This is a 10 character string and the output is GHE, OTF, DD, EE. And the square root of 10 is between 3 and 4. As 3 into 4 is greater than 10, this string can be represented in a form of a 3 cross 4 matrix. which can be rewritten as GODE, HTDE, and EF. So that was all for the online test, after which if you were selected, you would go on to the technical interview round. And thank you for watching and subscribe for more such content.